Alright, ladies and germs of YouTube, it's ATV Man again. Doing a little bit more upgrades on the system. I'm actually doing part of the big 3 upgrade. I'm upgrading the ground wire right now. Well, I'm in the process of doing it. I got it sitting over here. Right here. It's the piece I'm putting in. Like I said, it's going to be going from that ground right there over to the ground right, can't see it, right there. Ooh. There. Short little piece. I just got the one side. I haven't soldered it on yet. I've got to solder it on. But that's the piece I'm putting in. And then I'll figure out how much I need of this to go from the positive terminal, right there, over to the positive over there. This blue wire goes to my fog lights that I put on here. These are HIDs. Really bright 4-inch fog lights. Really love them. Running on a relay right there. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next, and I'll show you steps along the way. Alright, got it soldered up. Got this side all done. There's that side all done. Got the little end caps on it, and there it is. Went nice and tight on the battery. You had to trim this outer casing on the stock plastic, so it could go nice and tight like I did on this side. There's got the black ends on there, black covers, nice and tight here. Brought it up. I cleaned the surface off really well. Took a wire wheel to it, nice and tight, and tighten this bulb all the way down. Here's the previous wire that runs all the accessories that goes up to the body. You can see the size difference. Alright, got this cable made up. I don't have a red case like this to go over here, so probably just put some electrical tape on it. Alright, found a washer, got it all hooked up. It's actually a lock washer with a lock nut, so it's nice and tight. I don't think it's going to come off. Cleaned up the connection here, went on. Once again, you can see the wire size difference. This is the current wire that goes over to the battery, and that's what we're upgrading to. So let's hook this side up, slide it on there, put the lock washer on, grab the nut, start threading it on. There we go. I'll grab the wrench, we'll tighten it up, and we'll be good to go. Alright, got it all done. That's back on, nice and tight. Got this side all nice and tight. Put a quick zip tie so the wires won't go anywhere. That's all tight. No sparks, no explosions. So I think we're good to go to test it out. Make sure it works good. Alright, got my settings all back done on my radio. They need a vent radio that doesn't change your settings when you lose power, but anyway, got that hooked up, got a song set up, got a little T-Pain here. So let's go ahead and get this done. Turn up the...
Come on, should have had them.
Slash, come on, now that's $3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl on the man line to the rubber.
Not bad at all. It feels like it hits a little bit harder. As you can see, the gauge was still dropping a little bit, but hey, for one stock alternator that only puts out like 65 watts, I think it is, or not watts, amps. I think it's like 65 or 70 amps that the stock alternator puts out. So hey, I ain't complaining about that. That's not bad. Next, I do need a bigger alternator, of course, like always. We'll go to a little bit more deeper bass song here. Yeah, we'll go back to that one. There we go. Alrighty. Woo! Jeez. So, yeah, there we go. Smell the amp a little bit, getting warm, which is fine. But it hits. It definitely hits. Go to one last song here. I'll go to this song real quick. I don't want that song. This song. There we go.
Eastside Biatch.
Alright, that's good. Probably pissed off my neighbors. But it has made a little bit of difference. Still got plenty of power. So that's what you get for now. I'll show you more later.